All right, everyone. In this video, my name is Mark Anderson with MA Consulting Services. We specialize in local SEO for specialized businesses. So I want to continue my series talking about GeoGrids and how to improve them or how to use them to improve your Google My Business. Now, I'm using a quick example site. Say you were, a cleaning company, a trade. Really doesn't matter. Say you run your GeoGrid and you start thinking like, hey, I have a bunch of nice data, but you don't really know what to do yet. So I use this one as a quick example. So say you're coming here to recommendations and it's telling you that, hey, these are my secondary categories. How do I improve these? I'll go down to this section too as well, where it says your primary categories are listed, what seems to be best primary category, considering three of your top three competitors have house cleaning service as a primary category. You should confirm this as a best category by reviewing the search volumes for keywords pertaining to this category. Say you go out there, say you use SE ranking, Moz, anything like that nature, SEMrush, to go out there and you've confirmed that, hey, house cleaning service is a really good term for me, and I want to add it to my Google My Business. Well, how do I add a category to my Google My Business? It's actually very simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in really quick to an example account. And all you need to do is you're going to basically go to the section on your Google My Business called Edit. You have a section here that's called Business Category. So if I go back to the sheet, I think it was house cleaning service. So I'm going to go down here. We'll type in house cleaning service. Then we're going to click OK and click Save. We'll go back down here one more time. We're going to make sure that a lot of the other stuff that's added to the Google My Business is to be added. So you have a business description, so that's good. If you didn't have a business description, this is where it is. You just come down here, add some content. You want to make sure it's talking about your business brand name, and your service areas too as well. You have a section here called Add Opening Date. You're going to add the date that your company opened, your phone number. If you have a chat or text message, SMS available, you're just going to put in your phone number, blah, blah, blah. It's text. If you use WhatsApp, that's fine. Then you just submit. You put your website. You grab your social media profile links to here as well. You would add them in. Your business location area. We usually always try to recommend zip codes. If you want to target a whole county, that's fine. But generally, we recommend for us to start using zip codes. You have your hours of operation. This part is pretty straightforward. If you have any other specialty hours, like say you're a brick and mortar business and you're closed for lunch, you're going to want to put in this information for your lunch hours. It will pop up no different than it did just right here. You just let them know the times that you're open, the times that you're not open. You also have the crowd section too here as well. This will let you know. It's like, hey, if you're a Black-owned business, veteran-owned business, LGBTQ, transgender, it'll ask you all those different types of stuff. If those are markets that you are able to, those are markets that you market to, you have the experience of dealing with those markets, so you can go ahead and put those information in there. I think they also have Latino-owned too as well. So if you specialize with a certain demographic, you can put that in there too as well. That'll also be able to help out your business. But yeah, you're pretty much just going to go into the section. You're going to open up business information. It's pretty straightforward. You're just going to add this information step by step. And then you'll be pretty good from right there. Let me go back to, I think this will be the last section too at this point. I think crowd should be able to open up. So same thing, if you're LGBTQ friendly, you just put yes right here, and then you'll be able to be good from there. Same thing, Asian owned, people color owned, disabled. If it's stuff you don't do, I would just leave it alone. But if you do it, then go out there and just click it. And what's going to happen is it's going to be able to indirectly market your business to people of that demographic. Because there's certain people, demographics, they prefer to work with certain people. You've demonstrated that speciality. It'll be able to help out your business. So that's how you go out there and you add up your business information. This will also help improve your GeoGrid too as well. So thank you for your time. Have a great rest of your day. Have any questions, feel free to let us know. Thank you for your time. Bye.